Pontika Aerotech Limited. Pontika Aerotech Limited is a state-of-the-art contract research and manufacturing services organization in pharma, Ayurveda and cosmetics. Based out of Paonta Sahib, a serene town at the foothills of Himachal Pradesh in India, Pontika Aerotech is one of India's largest integrated facility. We have adopted an innovative approach to expand and develop products exceeding client expectations. As a strategic partner, we help bring innovation to life and shape the future by helping our partners to succeed. We have a strong portfolio comprising of a host of product verticals: pain management, hygiene solutions, nasal care, oral care, skin care, hair care, veterinary, bath and body, fragrance and perfumery. Our futuristic facility boasts of a top-notch nasal care infrastructure in the nation. Pontika Aerotech delivers operational excellence from product ideation to development to manufacturing and delivery. Pontika Innovation Center is committed to delivering innovative formulations, technology platforms and solutions that create efficiencies for our clients. We offer a wide range of services for pharmaceutical and cosmetic formulations across all external applications like aerosols, oral topicals, nasal care, skin care, hair care and animal health. Modern software are implemented to take care of every minute aspect of the development process and maintain high-quality standards and current regulatory requirement of 21 CFR Part 11. We have imbibed a professional culture in our system-driven QC team, supported by ultra-modern analytical instruments. Equipped with automated QC software, in-house analysis of raw materials, packaging materials, in-process samples, and finished products are conducted to meet international standards. plant utilities ensure unfaltering back-end support to the principal operations. Sophisticated safety systems are observed to ensure efficiency and safety of work personnel, quality of products, recommended processes and practices. We employ advanced warehouse management techniques to control the entire supply chain, right from inflow of best raw material to dispatch of finished goods. Our capacity to sustain and scale up according to customer demand is on a sound platform, owing to our visionary approach since inception. The strategic guidelines drawn by our regulatory affair team guides us in product compliance across the globe. Our knowledge of domestic and international market has availed us a diverse customer base across established pharma, FMCG and startup segments. At Pontika, our endeavors are focused towards creating a positive environment, practicing strong team building exercises and implementing long-term beneficial employee welfare measures. ESG policies are drafted to meet national and international standards. Staying true to our values of compassion and empathy, we administer a host of social initiatives. By providing access to the top industry experts, cutting-edge technology, our operational excellence, speed to market efficiency, and unlocking the potential of our partners, we convert their ambition to succeed into a reality. Pontika Aerotech Limited, where innovation drives happiness.